So I have a lot of explaining to do, which I will do in the next coming videos, but I think we should start here. October 4th, 2019, let's go back. Well, this is the new car, guys. I haven't talked to y'all in a while, but it's been busy. So that was posted back in 2019, my first video, and it's been a while, and a couple years later, and I'm moving into something completely different, channel somewhere else, and now have more than 5 subscribers that I was talking to back then. So let's go ahead and get back to the video, and I hope you guys enjoy what's coming up next through these next couple of videos. Alright guys, let's get back to it. So guys, this isn't a video I didn't think I'd be making this soon, but things happen. So as you can tell by the thumb title, I am trading in the Audi A5 for something else, something new, and I hope you guys stay with the content because it is another Audi. So that's a hint. But let me go ahead and show you guys everything I did to bring this thing back to stock. How it was at one point, kinda, but let me go ahead and walk you guys through everything I took back off the vehicle. So I'm used to doing videos where I put stuff on, but I took everything off the car. The only thing I wasn't able to take off was the carbon fiber diffuser. My girlfriend's gonna be mad as hell because that was a gift for a birthday present, and the thing is I can't take it off because I cut up the bumper to put it on. But yeah, other than that, let me go ahead and go around the rest of the car to walk you guys through how it's like to have a stock A5. So as you can see, these aren't the wheels I used to have. Well, they're rotiforms, but I took off the ESR wheels just because these ones I really don't care about. The other ones I care way more about. These would fit on the new car, but I didn't have my other ones, the original ones that came with the vehicle. I had sold them a while back. But yeah, I went ahead and took off the spacers as well, and yeah, as you can tell, damn dude, the other wheels are way wider. So as you can see, there's like a mean ass gap. That's crazy. I would hate to drive a car like this. Well, it's not bad, it's just looks weird as hell. Like the fitment is horrible. Ugh. Sadly, I can't take the rotors with me, but oh well, they'll stay with the car and the next owner. And you guys see the front lip, but it isn't the carbon fiber one. I did give the dealership this one just because I did drill a bunch of fucking holes underneath the bumper and I needed to cover up, so they would give me the most amount I could get for the car without like taking a whole lot of value off of it. And as you can tell, this front grill is an old one I had that's all chipped up and shit. I kept the other one, so they're not getting that either. I went ahead and took off the intercooler on the vehicle. I kept that, that's getting sold. Side skirts came off as well. I'm keeping those. Calipers, they're red, dirty painted, whatever. Did go ahead and take off the spoiler on it. I'm keeping that because it's carbon fiber. This is coming with me though. That's with me still. And yeah, pretty much. And also, let me see. The covers for the side mirrors, those are coming with me as well. Other than that, everything's back to stock. The tune is off of it. I went ahead and kept the pedal commander, and it feels fucking slow. I'm not gonna lie. I wasn't used to driving a car like that anymore, but it just feels different because all the work that you put into it, you feel it at the end, and when you take everything off, you're like, damn, I've come a long way. But yeah, guys, that's what it looks like. It doesn't look bad. It looks kind of weird with this fitment. I don't know, it's throwing me off a bit, but other than that, the car is back to stock. It kind of hurts like watching it like at this stage because it was at a big old point in life at one point, and now it's like it's all over. With this going, that means something else is coming, which means a lot more content. I am sticking with the Audi like I said, but it's something a little bit more up there, and it is a S-Line model. So guys, stay tuned. If you guys can guess what kind of car it is, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think I bought. I already do have the car, so next videos coming up will be me having the next car and me driving it, testing it out, doing modifications for it. So yeah, I'm still gonna be in the scene. I didn't give up the car game. That's not something I do, but I just need to step up my speed, I guess is what I could say, because I had the little show going on with this car, but now I need speed. But yeah guys, comment down below what you guys think I bought for the new vehicle. And then yeah, if you guys are in the Houston area, I am selling all the parts that I did take off, but you have to be in Houston because I'm not shipping anything out. hit me up on my Instagram. It's gonna be GAT_ZILLA. If you're in Houston, you want to buy any of the parts I took off the vehicle. And then yeah, so until next time guys, I will be talking about the next step of like the channel in the next coming up video when I show the car and reveal it. So until next time guys, peace, bye. Oh yeah, like and subscribe, because like and subscribing helps a lot, because I'm obviously able to trade out the A5 and go into something better. So thanks to all y'all, and thank you for everybody who watched the videos of me building this car. And you guys are the reason why I still do it, because it started with this, and now it's very sentimental to me, giving away or giving up this car that started my channel and like kept it going and has encouraged a lot of people to build their own car. So that's pretty cool to me, and I'll never forget it. And maybe one day I'll go ahead and find this car, you know, years from now, and just build the fuck out of it. That'd be cool, you know, bringing back the car that started everything. But yeah guys, until next time, it's not a goodbye because I'm still gonna be here, but it is a goodbye for this car. Alright guys, peace.